What's going on YouTube? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope y'all all doing fine today. I'm doing well myself. So today, we're celebrating a couple things. First off, my mom got out the hospital today after being in there for close to a month. So good on that. Secondly, we're doing changing of the guard. Took down the old logo, put up the new. Now we're talking. You can still follow me on the same social media platforms as before. So go ahead and follow me that way. Today, we're doing up a full-bone, 2.5-inch thick Tomahawk Steak. We're going to hit it up with that Uncle Steve's Calb Shake and his Smoke Bomb. Then, we're going to go ahead and sear it off with this Sear Pro. Oh yeah! Now we're talking. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, I'm going to go ahead and hit up some of that olive oil. This thing looks beautiful. Just look at it. Nice marbling. Now we're going to go ahead and hit up with some of that cow powder. We're going to go ahead and hit with that Smoke Bomb. Now we're going to go ahead and wait for the grill to come up to temp. Once that does, we're going to go ahead and slap this on there. We're looking for a temp of 125 before we go ahead and start searing it off.
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need.
There we go. Looking beautiful now. Go ahead and cover this with foil now. Let it rest for 10 minutes before we go ahead and cut it into it. Here we go. Oh. Smells so great. Juicy. Put that back on it. Let's cut in that. There we go. Nice medium rare. Cut in this Manalis real quick. There we go. Look at that juice. Cut a little piece off real quick. That cow shake and that smoke bomb, perfect combination. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.